Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up Instagram on Android, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and set up Instagram on your Android device, begin by unlocking your phone. Locate the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap the Google Play Store icon to open the application. In the top search bar, type Instagram and press the search button. Look for the Instagram app in the search results. Ensure it's the official app by checking the developer, which should say Instagram or Facebook. Tap on the Instagram app to open its download page. Once on the app page, tap the green Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, you will see an Open button. Tap it to launch the app. If prompted, grant Instagram the necessary permissions to access your camera and photos. Once the app opens, you'll see the option to log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. You can sign up using your email address or mobile number. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your details and choose a username. After filling in your information, tap Next to proceed. Set a password for your new account and tap Next. Instagram may prompt you to personalize your experience by selecting interests and following accounts. Once done, you will see the main feed of Instagram. You now have Instagram set up and ready to explore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.